Hello everyone, my name is GearSoft and I present Discord Mass DM tool from GearSoft. This software includes token generator as well as mass DM for mass spam. Token generator contains several files, the most important of which are proxies and tokens. If you don't use proxies, your accounts will be blocked very quickly. Try to run and test the token generation. The menu is very simple and clear. If you select the first item, the token generation will start. It is important to specify the number. Generated tokens will be stored in the file tokens. The second point can be used to check the valence of generated tokens. Let's go to the review of Mass DM tool from GearSoft. The completed file will contain the user ID for which the spam was already sent. The config file contains the visual configuration of the program window, as well as the CAPTCHA configuration. The invites file stores the invitation to the Discord server needed for the joiner function. The members IDs file contains the audience gathered from the server. The message file contains a spam message. Proxy is understandable, so upload your proxies if you want your accounts to live long. In the tokens file your spam tokens. In the usernames file all spammed usernames. Let's run the Mass DM tool. There are many features for convenient spam and audience interaction in Discord. Manual for work with all functions can be viewed at me in Telegram channel, or ask me personally. On this, everything with you is GearSoft. Good luck with your spam.